Hello, good afternoon. My name is Thomas Acero. I am from the 19 years and there to present and my friends and the kid. Sleep number one. The freeze kid will did for the medicine cabinet what has to creative it the talk a short box and the decorate it's like to a medicine cabinet. Second sleep. In the second sleep, we'll begin to fill in the freeze and kit with accessories. In the freak objective will place has bandages. 3 sleep. In the 3 sleep, we'll place an thermometer in the case somebody has fever. 14 sleep. In the 14th sleep and the place scissors to cut gout or the asparagus in case of emergency. Find sleep. In the first sleep will put type in the cause. There is mine a ghost. Sits asleep. In the sixth sleep, we'll put a note the present in the case submarine. It's buffocating. 70 sleep. In the 70 sleep, we'll put either poly, what serve to different areas. 80 sleep. In the 18 sleep, we'll put goes path to stop and flood flow. And 19 sleep. In the 19 sleep, we'll put Walter to health against. 18th sleep. In the sleep, we'll put some binds eyes in the case during in the marches. Thanks, and this is English Kid. Goodbye. Thank you very much.